लगेच
खबर मेळ्ळी की एकरांक तो पावता पूण आज तो पावूंक ना सामके 11 आमी हांगा पाविल्ली हांगा उबी राविल्ली सो आमकां दिसलें की मेयराची गाडी पास जाता ताणी पळयली की गर्दी आसा आनी हातीन अशी घेवन आसा उबे म्हणून सो तो सरळ गेलो फुडें. आता आम्ही उपस्थित लोक असा कॉर्पोरेशन असली तांचे कडेन मागता की प्लीज तुम्ही मेयराक कॉल करात. आम्ही त्या दिसा जे प्रेसाक एड्रेस केले की आमचे जे नुस्तेकार भाव आसा तांचो जो प्रश्न आसा जगण्याचो प्रश्न आसा जीवन मरणाचो प्रश्न आसा ताका लागून आमी मेळपा आयली. आमी घोषणा दिवंक ना आमी निशेध मोर्चा आंदोलन काय करूंक ना शांतकायेन आमी आयली आनी आमकां मेमोरंडम दिवपाचो आसा. सो आमी वाट पळयता आतां की आमचो मेयर साहेब केन्ना येता आणि ताज्या उपरांत आमी ताका हे भेटयतली दितली आणि मागीर पळयतली साहेब कितें म्हणटा ते.
मॅडम तुम्ही अपॉइंटमेंट घेतला त्यांची मेयराची?
ना अपॉइंटमेंट घेतली जाल्यार आमकां अनुभव आहा न्ही सरकारी कर्मचाऱ्यांचो आणि अधिकाऱ्यांचो आमकां अनुभव आहा की जेन्ना आमी पयलीं कळयता तांकां तेन्ना ती नाच जाता एकदम चमत्कार कसो जाता. सो आमकां दिसलें की नाका आमकां चमत्कार नाका आमी सरळ जे रोजचे आमचे रुटीन आसा तशेंच वचुया म्हणून. पूण तशेंच ताणें करपाक जायनाशिल्लें कित्याक एकरांक पावता जाल्यार येवपाक जाय आशिल्लो न्ही. आतां आमकां हांगा पुलीस आसा पळय ती आडयता की तुमी 2च लोकां भितर वचात 5च लोकां भितर वचात. आतां तुमी पळयला आमी काय घोषणा दिवंक ना काय ना शांतकायेन आमचें काम करता. सो आमी वाट पळयता आतां की मेयर केन्ना येता म्हणून. आतां हांवें तांकां कॉल केलो कॉल तांणी रिसीव करूंक ना. आतां पळयता आमी कितें जाता ते वाट पळयता साहेब केन्ना येता ते.
मेयर पावता म्हणसर वाट पळयतले.
हय
इनवर्ड करचे
पळय फक्त इनवर्ड करून आणि आमचे हे जे कितें आमी मेमोरंडम बरोवन हाडला पळय ते तांकां दिवन काय उपयोग ना. आमकां उतर जाय न्ही. फाटली कितलीशींच दिसां जालीं ही लोकां काम करता वावुरता ह्या इश्यूक लागून तरी म्हणून तांचो सुटावो जावंक ना म्हणून आमी तांच्या कडल्यान आयली मेयर साहेबा कडेन विचारपाक की हातून तुमकां प्रॉब्लेम कितें जाता हांचो प्रॉब्लेम सुटावो जावपाक. कित्याक 3 पिळगी जाली ही सगळीं लोकां थंय नुस्तेमारी करता आनी आपलो चरितार्थ चलयता. अचानक तुमी तांचे हे चरितार्थाचे जे साधन आसा ते जर तांच्या हातींतल्यान काडून घेतले जाल्यार ते खंय वतली. मरपाची पाळी न्ही तांचेर. तुमची स्मार्ट सिटीक लागून जर तुम्ही थंय सौंदर्यवर्धन करपाक सोदता थंय रॅम्प घालपाक सोदता जाल्यार ह्या लोकांनी खंय वचपाचें ते तुमी तांकां सुवात दिवपाची. म्हळ्यार तांकां जगपाचो बी अधिकार ना. भारतीय कायद्यानुसार आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युशनान बरयल्लें आसा की जो भारताचो नागरीक आसा तो भारतान खंय वचून आपलो चरितार्थ चलोवपा खातीर खंयचोय बिझनेस कायद्याच्या अंतर्गत रावून करूं शकता. हे सगळे खबर आसा. जर सगळ्या लोकांक अधिकार हा आमचो चरितार्थ चलोवपाचो आणि बिझनेस करपाचो आणि ही लोकां जी आसा ती फाटली 3 पिळगी जर थंय काम करता जाल्यार ते काम तांचे स्टॉप करपाचो अधिकार खंयच्याच अधिकाऱ्याक खंयच्याच आमदाराक खंयच्याच मुख्यमंत्र्याक हो अधिकार ना. हे आमचे म्हणणे आसा आणि कांयच ना. आणि आमी शांतकायेन भितर सरली पळय. आमी आमचे जे काम आसा मेमोरंडम दिवपाचे ताका आंदोलन पासून नांव दिवंक ना. कित्याक आंदोलन करपाची गरज ना. जर आमचे काम ना जाल्ले ना जाल्यार आमी आंदोलन करतली. पूण आतां आमी आंदोलन पासून नांव दिवंक ना. आमी शांतकायेन आयली तांकां मेमोरंडम दिवपाक. सो जर तुमचे हे लाईव्ह वता आणि जर आमचो मेयर साहेब हे पळयता जाल्यार आमी तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी सगळी विनंती करता कृपा करून येयात तुमी आणि आमचे म्हणणे कितें आसा ते तरी आयकून घेयात. आणि मागीर आमचो प्रश्न जो आसा तो सुटावो करात तुमी. आमी विनंती करता. 30 लोकां आमच्या बरोबर आसा जी नुस्तेमारी करता पळय आणि आपलो चरितार्थ चलयता. 30 लोकां आमच्या बरोबर आसा म्हणजे 30 लोकांचो परिवार ताजेर अवलंबून आसा. म्हळ्यार 100 लोकां तरी आसतली. तांचो व्यवसायाचो जो माध्यम आसा तो जर हातींतल्यान तुमी काडून घेतलो जाल्यार कशें जातलें सांगा. भौतीक प्रगती खातीर भौतीक प्रगतीक लागून तुमी मनशांचो जगपाचो अधिकार काडून घेवंक शकना. म्हणून आमी तांच्या वतीन आमी सगळी विनंती करता. पणजी ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट हांगासर एकठांय जाली हेच करपा खातीर की आमचो न्याय मागपा खातीर आमचो हक्क आमचो अधिकार मागपा खातीर. पळया आतां कितें जाता तें.
See, apparently, I think there is a dispute between forest officials and our traditional fishermen. So, regarding the visit that they had said that I had made, I think there was a proposal for a retaining wall to be built where their boats are kept. So, I clearly told the forest people, I said, I am not interested in doing anything until you all resolve your issues first. It cannot be a thing. So, until their interests are taken care of, See, I have no issue with thing. I have nothing to do with that project. Whether it is forest department land, it's a smart city issue. Now the memorandum they've handed over to me regarding the issues will be considered. We will forward it to the concerned departments and we can schedule a joint inspection just to have all the issues addressed.
Sir, but it is not a smart city work.
GSIT is a smart city issue. See, I think they were supposed to give them access on the Mandovi side. Like, that was blocked, so they're giving them access on this side. So I think there's one dispute between forest department and these people. That area has not been kept properly. All of those issues they had mentioned to me. But that is not my area, so I cannot do anything. Now that they've brought the memorandum, we can take it up with the concerned authorities and check and see what is to be done.
Site inspection, but this was not authorities.
Yeah, when they're free and all, let them get in touch with me. No? Then I will call all the department people and we can have a joint inspection. Then they can address all the issues, whatever they are.
Fishing jetty notified the.
No, that is what I don't know. I have to check and see also now. We'll have to write to the department first and see what the actual picture is. Whether it is a notified thing, whether it's a traditional thing, they've been using it for a long time. So all of that, all those details we will check at that inspection site only. Let them bring all their documentation, whatever they have, and let the fisheries department have another also and see. Yeah.
Another topic.
Whatever.
A smart city.
Whatever.
So yesterday we have seen a statement regarding the smart city work, substandard work of the smart city. What do
Yeah,
you
it is
think?
substandard. Everyone has eyes now. It's bad. See, I was with I was late for this meeting also. I was with those smart city people today also now. A lot of people have issues with their finishing work. So I told them at least March, April now. Sometime in May, the 1st of May, I have told them that we will take one round of the full city. We will check and see if any single paver has been is not been kept properly, or if the edges are broken or drains are broken. We have given them deadline at least till the 15th or 30th May to rectify everything. Now we also now are fed up of all of their work. They should be out of the city now. Even 18 June Road also, according to them, they are not doing 18 June Road also now. So we have to check and see what issues will happen in the monsoon because that drain connectivity has not been done. So we want to write.
Sir, but why they are not doing 18 June Road? For what
I don't
reason?
know exactly. That MD will give you a proper answer. I think time must be their issue.
It's not coming in the smart city.
No, they have de-scoped that thing. No. Or they're planning on de-scoping it or whatever. So I've heard, so they have not gotten instructions to do that work yet. Because if they start 18 June, it will take a minimum of 1 month, 1.5 months or 2 months. It is a very long stretch. You're talking about from pharmacy college till this thing, till our building over here. That
But
is a
every
very...
time there is a waterlogging issue.
No, but that is our concern also now, no? See, a lot of those drains also were diverted, I think, onto 18 June Road, which is why it's flooding so much. Now, the main point of the smart city was to do the 18 June Road, so at least that whole connectivity would be made. Now, that is not being done also. So, we have to check and see now which other department can get the work done if they are not doing it. So, these are questions you should ask the MD also now. At the same time, we want them gone, but at the same time, we want the work to be done also. Now, what is the point of doing it otherwise?
सर वन मोर थिंग तुम्ही जो आहा पळय हेडक्वार्टर्सा कडेन तो तुम्ही ड्रेन केल्ली पळय तो रस्तो
Police
लास्ट इयर
headquarters.
पुलीस हेडक्वार्टर्स
Ah.
लास्ट ड्रेन तुम्ही रिपेअर केल्ली पळय तो रस्तो अजूनही तसोच लास्ट इयर इट वाज
No, see, all of those roads that have not been hot mixed now will be hot mixed. I think that tender is coming out now with PWD. I will check and see if that road is to be done also now.
because for last 1 year it is same situation तुम्ही रिपेअर
And Baba, if we didn't open that whole road would have flooded also. No? We had to do some emergency work.
पण रिस्टोरेशन काय
No, we want to do also now. That's what I'm saying now. So I will speak to that. There is one list of roads to be hot mixed now. I think the tender is coming out soon in the next 10-15 days. So I would check and see if that road is part of it also. If that road is part of it, then we can get it done immediately also.
So,
तो रोड स्मार्ट सिटी करून दिल्यासारखे ते
No, that's what I'm going
so the smart city had given you any plan of the smart city work that they will be doing, and CCP knows anything about it?
They didn't give anybody a plan. I don't think anyone knows what their plan is also. Because they do whatever they feel like it. I don't know what to tell them.
Put-
Blame come on the CCP and the local MLA.
Because ultimately we are the heads of the city also. No?
ना त्यांनी स्मार्ट सिटी प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट झालो सँक्शन झालं सेंटराकडल्यान त्यांनी एक जो इमेज क्रिएट केलं
They have not
स्मार्ट
stuck to their plan at all. They will tell you when has they've done stuck to any deadline of theirs. See the works that they've implemented so far now. Say that concrete road and that pumping station. Those works have turned perfectly. Mala didn't flood last year, and everyone, even though they were complaining about the concrete road, it turned out perfect now. There is no issue at all. I'm hoping the same thing works for these people. Now there are a lot of inconveniences faced also. We are on the road every day now. Whenever must get at least 10-15 calls a day, asking the smart city people to rectify whatever issues are there, levels are wrong, drain networks are wrong. See, the problem is now we are out on the road. If they are not doing their jobs now, we are forced to do it for them also. We cannot complain. Means we are here to represent the city, so we'll represent the city now.
सो व्हेन यू विल बी हॅव्हिंग इन्स्पेक्शन विथ स्मार्ट
I was
सिटी
there today only in the morning now. That market road, we were just checking to see what issues there were. So tomorrow there is one meeting at 10:30. I think there is some issue with the electricity department. Not issue, but some coordinating problems there.
मी तुका दिसता की इज दिस अ स्मार्ट सिटी म्हणजे
Now it look like a smart.
Huh?
You always answer it yourself, sir.
No, but
But
as a
I'm
mayor,
asking you as a mayor,
as a mayor,
as a mayor, do you feel it is?
it's smart.
Smartest city. Very good. I don't know what to tell you, man. Which
No,
bad?
but still,
No,
you're
but
the
the
mayor,
work
no,
is
sir.
the-
You're the
No,
mayor,
but
no.
See, doing interviews and all is not going to solve any problems.
Not
no?
interview, I'm
But
asking
sir,
you, sir.
what-
अशें तुका
about your
पणजेकार
feeling
विचारना
is-
पणजेकार विचारना तुका
But we say the same thing ourselves also internally now, no? What is this? It's like that, it's not done properly, it's not done properly also now. We have to make sure that they do their jobs well, no?
The smart city is not smart.
Like you all have said 100 times only it is
No,
not
but we
smart.
want to from you, no, sir.
स्मार्ट सिटीक लागून अनेक ब्लेम जाता तो म्हणल्यार पणजेचे एमएलए
हम्म.
MLA?
पोझिशन सदांच ब्लेम करता की पणजेचे एमएलए कोण घेना म्हणून एक्चुअली काम स्मार्ट सिटी
See, look at how the smart city corporation is designed. It is a corporation that is independent of any department. Means you have a main body that is supposed to look after the implementation of the work. Now, if they themselves are not doing the work, and if they are not, when we had a last smart city meeting, now it's been 6 months, 7 months at least. There's been no meeting after that. So then, at least during the previous secretary's time, we have a meeting every 3 months. We would have a meeting to discuss progress, check what work is to be done. Nothing like that is happening. Only when people have an issue and they get in touch with us, that is the one time we are on this thing to address all those issues. But smart city engineers are supposed to be there, no, every day. What is the point otherwise? If the work is directly implemented by you all, don't blame everybody else, no. You all only take responsibility. That is not being done. Now because they are not doing it, we have to do it.